Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you these cute mini banana bites, which are banana slices covered in pancake batter. I've just showed you some examples, so let's make my recipe. So first of all, you start with an egg and some milk. All the ingredients will be linked in the description. Then you're going to also add in some brown sugar. I use brown sugar just for a different type of taste, and then you're going to mix all the wet ingredients together, also with a splash of vanilla. So now to the wet mixture, you're going to add in your dry mixture. So you're going to add in your self-raising flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. As always, all the ingredients will be in the link in the description if you want to try this recipe out. I really do recommend. Once you've added all your ingredients, you're just going to mix the batter till a nice smooth batter. If it's not smooth, don't worry, just put it through a sieve and then you have a smooth batter like this. Take 2 bananas and cut them into slices. I did use 2 bananas for this recipe. All you need to do is cut them in slices, and then we'll move on with the recipe. The banana slices to the pancake batter and mix the batter gently, because you don't want your banana to go mush, with a spatula. Not a spoon, but a spatula, just so you can get a smooth batter. Start preheating your pan and spray it with some non-stick spray, and then you're gonna heat it on a medium heat. Once the pan is now hot, you're gonna add in your pancake bites. So you can use a spoon to drain out the remaining pancake mixture. Do not add so much like I did on the first batch of pancakes, but you can use a fork to just drain out the remaining of the pancake batter, and then just place it onto the warm pan. And then you're gonna cook it like normal pancakes. Just be careful when you're flipping, because obviously you want them to come out nice. So mine looked a bit ugly, but trust me, they tasted amazing. So pop them in a bowl. Top with some delicious syrup or honey. I chose honey. Top with some powdered sugar, fresh fruit, and enjoy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and share with friends. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye!